I'm about to teach you a core aircraft system in aviation in the simplest way possible. The hydraulic system. What are hydraulics? Let's start simple. A hydraulic system is just a way of using fluid, usually oil, to transfer force. So instead of using electricity or muscle strength directly, aircraft use pressurized fluid to move heavy components. Here's the core idea you need to understand. When you apply a small force in one place, it creates a much larger force somewhere else. This is possible because liquids cannot be compressed easily. The pressure you create gets transferred through the system. On screen, we are going to have the reservoir, the pump, the hydraulic lines, and the actuator. Every basic hydraulic system in an aircraft has four main parts. First, the reservoir. This stores the hydraulic fluid. Second, the pump. This pressurizes the fluid. Third, the hydraulic lines. These carry the fluid throughout the aircraft. Fourth, the actuator. This is the component that performs the work. The actuator is where the real movement happens. When pressurized fluid enters the actuator, it pushes a piston. That piston moves mechanical parts such as landing gear, flaps, brakes, and sometimes flight controls. Instead of a pilot physically moving a heavy system, the hydraulic system does the work. Let's take the landing gear as an example. When a pilot lowers the landing gear, they are not pulling the gear down directly. They are sending a command that allows pressurized hydraulic fluid to enter an actuator. That actuator then moves the landing gear into position. So why not just use electric motors or cables? Hydraulics have three major advantages. First, they can generate large amounts of force. Second, they operate smoothly and precisely. Third, they are highly reliable for heavy-duty aircraft systems. This is why hydraulics are commonly used in systems such as braking and flight control assistance. Aircraft are also designed with redundancy. That means many aircraft have multiple hydraulic systems. If one system fails, another system may be able to continue providing hydraulic power. In some aircraft, pilots can still manually operate certain systems even if hydraulic power is lost. Here is a simple way to remember hydraulics. Small force in, large force out, using fluid to transfer pressure. If you understand that concept, you understand the foundation of aircraft hydraulics. In real aircraft, hydraulics make heavy and powerful movements possible while requiring very little effort from the pilot. In the next video, I will explain how aircraft electrical systems work and how they connect to many of the systems found throughout the aircraft. If you found this helpful, follow for more aircraft systems and aviation education